We were on fundamental rights. The citizen, I was telling you that fundamental rights are being given to the people of the country, and if they are denied, if they are not being given to the people, which are being decided under the Constitution of India, then they can approach the court or court of law. There are 6 fundamental rights which are written in the Constitution of India. First and foremost is right to equality. Each and every citizen is given the equal right. Every citizen is equal before the law. There will be no difference on the basis of religion, race, caste, gender, whether female or male is there. No priority is given to the male person or place of birth. That they are born in the proper area, then they in a well furnished area, then they will get the priority. No, everyone will be given equal right. Right to freedom, it includes freedom of speech and expressing their thoughts. They have the right to speak, actually, that whatever they think that this law which has been made by the Constitution is against the people, then they can approach to the court. Then they can speak their rights. The Indian citizen can settle anywhere in India for follow any occupation, trade or business. They are free to speak also, and they are free to follow any occupation. Occupation means the type of work, profession. Trade or business means the work which they can do. Import and export business. Right against exploitation. This right protects the citizen from being ill-treated or made to work without compensation. No child below the age of 14 years. Exploitation means we cannot exploit anyone. We cannot force anyone to do such things. Anything. The age of 14 years can be employed for any kind of labor. Child labor must be abolished. No child labor must be there. Right to freedom of religion. India is a secular country where every citizen, why secular country? Because secular itself means that it is not connected with religion, where every citizen has a right to follow and practice any religion. And there are so many religions are there. They are free, and they are free to choose their own religion wherever their wish goes, to whom they can worship. Cultural and educational rights. Every person has a right to get education and also get admission into any educational institution, whether it is scheduled caste person or whether it is a child of even the lower class people. They have the right to get the education if they clear the exam. The state cannot impose any external culture on people of the country. Any external culture means if they don't wish to follow any culture, any different curriculum, then they are free to refuse. Right to constitutional remedies. Every citizen is protected by the law and is treated equally. In case if any of the fundamental rights are denied or taken away, they have the right to go against the Constitution because they are not getting the proper right to the citizen of the country. Then they can approach the highest court in the country, that is the Supreme Court. I explained you first they can approach to the district court. Then if they don't think that district court decision is up to the mark, or they are not agreeing with the decision of the district court, then they can go to the high court. If high court decision also don't appeals them, they can reach to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, which makes the law, which makes the decision, then they have to follow the decision of the Supreme Court, because above that there is no court in India. The last and foremost decision will be taken by the Supreme Court, because it is the court, central court. We will come to fundamental duties. When many of the rights are given, that along with that fundamental duties are also there.